Are you juggling student loans, a new career, and trying to build a life for you and your partner? I'm about to tell you a secret weapon that'll build your financial arsenal, and it's called the Backdoor Roth IRA. You may be hearing Backdoor Roth IRA and thinking that's only applicable to high income earners. Wrong. Even if you're drowning in student loans or using one of those income-driven repayment plan options, the Roth IRA backdoor method can be one of your retirement superhero saviors. And I know you may be thinking, oh great, more tax stuff that I have to know. Don't worry, we've helped over 10,000 people at FitBUX. We're going to make this as easy to understand as possible for you. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button down here. So let's break down the backdoor Roth method into 4 steps. Essentially, what you're going to be doing first is opening up a traditional IRA. The second step is going to be making contributions to that traditional IRA as an after-tax contribution. If you don't make it an after-tax contribution, you can face some penalties in the long run. The third thing that you want to do is open up a Roth IRA, which leads to the 4th step, pretty easy as well. You want to move the money that you've put into the traditional IRA into the Roth account, and you do that by what's called a conversion. So when looking at the benefits of a backdoor Roth IRA, essentially it boils down to a few things. The first thing is going to be tax-free gains. The second benefit is early access to contributions. Unlike traditional IRAs, you can access your contributions early before retirement if needed. The last benefit is no income restrictions, unlike regular Roth IRAs. And the last thing, when utilizing the backdoor Roth method for a Roth IRA, you want to make sure you're staying within the means that you can contribute to the Roth IRA in that year. And that is going to be $7,000 for people that are under 50 years old or $8,000 for people that are 50 and above. Just as a heads up, there's also some other things that you need to be aware of and some tax implications called pro rata rules that are not discussed in this video, but